Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Akash and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use capo. So if you just started playing guitar and you don't know how to use a capo, this video is for you. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. So now let's talk about how to use a capo. So the main function of capo is to transpose the key without changing the chord shape. So you see this white bridge, this is acting as the inbuilt capo for your guitar. So for example, I'm playing E major. So this is acting as the capo for E major. And now when I need to play F major, I cannot drag this down. So I need to put this finger here to bar this. Okay. So this gives the birth to bar chords. So a lot of people find it difficult to play bar chords in the beginning. So what they do is they replace the bar with the capo like this. So now when you're playing F, you're replacing the bar and putting the capo. Now your chord shape is same as E major, but you're playing F major. So you're transposing the key without changing the chord shape. Okay, so if I want to play F sharp, I need to put my capo here. Okay, so the chord shape is still same like E. If I want to play G, I need to drag it down to the third fret. Now it's G. Okay, and now G sharp and A, like so on. You just keep dragging it. So for example, I'm playing an intro in C major. It's sounding good, but I want this sound to be higher in pitch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the same shape and drag it to E, like here, and put my capo on the fourth fret. Okay. So now I can play the same riff in the key of E without changing my chord shape. So you see, so this will go with all your open chord shapes like C, G, D, E, A, with everyone. So this is the function of capo, to transpose the key without changing the chord shape. So one more example, I'm playing something in G. But I want to keep the same position, but I want to play this in the key of A. So I'm going to drag it down, G, G sharp, A. Okay. So on the second fret, I'm going to put a capo. Okay. So I'm transposing without changing the chord shape. So guys, that's it from today's lesson, and I hope now you know how to use a capo, and if you don't have one, go buy and experiment. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.